Welcome to our channel Everyday Essentials 365. From today, we'll be learning C language. So let's get started. So what is a programming language? The language in which the user and computer communicate with each other. And you can also put it in other words, and it would be like the language which acts as a communication tool between user and the computer. So what is a program? The set of instructions written in programming language is called a program. Memory. Memory unit of computer is used to store the data. So here is an important point. Memory is classified into primary memory and secondary memory. So let's see the definitions of primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory. It is represented as a set of locations. And here each location would be occupying 8 bits. And each bit has a unique address. And also data is stored in machine understandable binary form in these memory locations, which we discussed above. So what is a binary form? All the data we give are stored in zeros and ones. So let us look at some commonly used primary memories. First one would be ROM, read-only memory. It stores data and instructions even when the computer is turned off. So indirectly it means it's a permanent storage device. So let's look at another primary memory, and that would be RAM. Random access memory. RAM stands for random access memory. So RAM is a read or write memory unit, and here the information is retained until there is power supply. So indirectly it means it's a temporary storage device. So let's look at the third primary memory, and it would be cache memory. So this is used to store the data and related application that was last processed by the CPU. So as discussed, memory is divided into primary and secondary. Now let us look at secondary memory. It is nothing but external storage devices that are connected to computer. So for example, you can take USB. And now let us look at the programming language classification. It is divided into low-level language and into high-level language. So what is a low-level language? Computers don't understand the languages which human beings speak. So what do they understand? They understand machine language. First generation language. You can also call this first generation language as the fundamental language of computer. Machine language is written in binary form. So what is binary form? Zeros and ones. So whatever the instructions we give are converted into binary numbers. Remembering these codes of binary form are difficult. So then, the advent of assembly language took place. So guys, what is an assembly language? It doesn't use numeric codes. It uses mnemonics like the things you see on the screen. And the assembly language is also known as symbolic language. And here the instructions written in program are translated into machine language. Hence this language is also machine dependent. So let's see what is a high-level language. The language concentrates more on problem solving rather than the procedures for the solution. And the good thing is we need not deal with registers, memory addresses and call stack. So tomorrow I'll be making a continuation class. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.